updates for any of my subscribers who are looking to hit their first 1,000 subscribers. And this video, I'm just going to be showing you a YouTube feature. Yes, it is a YouTube feature that you can use to hit your 1,000 subscribers as fast as we did, and how you can also use it to get your 4,000 watch hours so that you can get monetized just the way we have been able to monetize this channel and this first channel. So I'm going to be taking you on a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up this particular feature. Like I said, it is something right inside of your YouTube app or your YouTube studio. Look, if you can take advantage of, the entire YouTube app, especially your back end, which is your studio, you won't even have any problems, growing pick up organically right now and, take the exact steps that I'm going to be taking on this journey. Or you may want to pick up a jotter with a pen and just write them down. Let me tell you something. Before you do this, yes, is a screencast. You should have created a 2-minute video or a 6-minute video or even a 14-minute video. Something that is captivating, something that will raise curiosity. Let me tell you something about YouTube. YouTube is looking for a way to divert attention of every human being upon the surface of the earth from TV to YouTube. Do you understand? So you want to create things that can keep people here in this app. That is the only way YouTube can keep recommending your videos. That's another topic for another day. There's something called average retention. How long do you keep people on YouTube? Okay, we're going to be discussing that in a different video entirely. Then grab your phone. Let's get into the tutorials right now. The first place you want to go to is your YouTube app. We are talking YouTube here. We are not talking about a third-party platform. So I've opened my YouTube app. You go straight to the plus button, okay? Go straight to the plus button. Whilst you are at the plus button, you're going to do everything as though you're going to go on live. The same process you normally take when you go on live, okay? So I've pressed it. I'm taking next. On my next now, because this is a tutorial, that's why I didn't go through the thumbnail and everything. That's why I said do everything as if you're going live. Put in your thumbnail, put in your title, everything. There. I want to go straight ahead to show you the screencast so that this video is not too long. It's already long, okay? So you fill in everything, your title, your description, your everything. You come down here. After location, you're going to be seeing something there called screencast. Click on it. When you check it, it will open up. When it opens up, you go to next, okay? Before then, you would have turned your visibility to public. Make sure your visibility is public, okay? I'm not going to turn my own to public because I don't intend to go live. This is just a tutorial. Now, click on next after turning your screencast on. Another interface will pop out. Instead of the interface where you would have gone live directly, another interface pops out and it says, start recording or casting with YouTube. Did you see it? Start recording or casting with YouTube. When you're sharing, recording or casting an app, YouTube has access to anything shown or played on that app. So be careful with things like password, payment details, messages, photos and audio and videos. This is a warning. Please try to read that so that you can block out those sensitive things in your phone, because as you're casting, your recording is live. Everybody is seeing it. The whole planet, if everybody upon the surface of the earth comes into that live, you're going to see what you're sharing. So you want to be careful, excuse me, with your details, okay? So I click start. Now, it will bring you to your entire phone. Go to your gallery. Click on your gallery. Look for that video you had created, okay? So this is my own. I have a 16 seconds video here. I'm going to click on it. Okay. Let me reduce the volume so that it doesn't interface with what we are saying. So that's the video there that I want to loop. You're just going to leave this 16 seconds video. You're going to leave it for about 5, 8, 9 hours to 10 hours. Then you got all the steps right. I'm down below in the comment section. let's continue this discussion so that the video is not too long. Okay, send in your questions if you have any, and I'll be glad to respond to you. Go and practice now. Start now. Let me know for how long you looked your video and how many subscribers, how many watch hours, and how many views did you get from this particular feature that I've exposed to you. The next video that I'll be dropping on this channel is a video that will take you from here to here. We are all about researches here. We do research, try things out. When we see that they are working, we come here and we share with you. So if you haven't subscribed up to this moment, I don't know what you're doing. Give us that subscription, turn on the notification button so that when we drop a video, you will be the first to know. Remember that our membership is also open to everybody. The inner class gets some more tips. See you in the next video.